What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, happy Sunday. I hope y'all out there and enjoying the day. But guys, we coming down to the end of it. We know what tomorrow is. It's that first day of the week. It's getting back into the grind mode and ready to execute on some plays. Guys, before we start this, I want to touch on one thing. We know this is a big week coming up. We got some good earnings coming up. And all eyes are on this election that we got. Wednesday morning, Tuesday late night, we should have a president-elect for January to take over in office. I just want to put this out here. I have a lot of Republican friends. I have a lot of Democrat friends. It ain't no reason why we can't respect each other's decisions on who you decide to vote on and still be friends and still be able to come back and enjoy what we do trading in the market without holding grudges, without cutting somebody off. That's crazy. I hear it all the time. I don't even speak to this person because his views is different and we can't even have a conversation. That's crazy. It's okay. You pick who you want to pick. Let them pick who they want to pick and don't even worry about it. Let the rest handle it. It ain't no reason why we still can't act like mature adults and still be respectful of the next person's decision. And guys that ain't out there voting and complaining about how the world is messed up and all that, you can't say anything. You can't say anything if you ain't going to do anything to spark a change. Guys, I just wanted to put that out because I'm seeing a lot of nonsense out there and it's sickening. It's ridiculous. It ain't no need for it. Let's put that past us and be happy with whatever happens on Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. And that ain't going to affect what we going to do Wednesday morning when the market start. We going to get in there and it doesn't matter who's in office. We're going to make some money if it's popping and we're going to make some money if it's dropping. That's why I say expand your horizons, know how to play calls, know how to play puts. But enough of that. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Let's see. We got earnings Monday after close. You got Palantir, so I'm going to have Palantir on the list to cover for today. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets. On Monday at 10 o'clock, you got factory orders. Guys, we know how to react when we get data drops. We sit back, we chill, we sit back and we wait for a clear direction and then we pounce on that thing. Don't get smoked by jumping in too early and catch that candle going up and you in puts and get smoked, or catch that candle going down and you got calls. Guys, before we head into it, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you stay on these dynamite plays that we throwing out. Let's go ahead and start with BA, but big baller shot callers. I'm going to show a little bit more love to the newbies and beginners out there. I'm getting a lot of DMs saying, hey, Fresh, can you throw some smaller dollar amount plays out there that we can get into? You show too much love to the big ballers and shot callers, and they know what they're doing. We kind of want to nibble too. I heard you. I got you. Let's do this. Any tickers that I don't call out, make sure you join my Discord. Throw it out in the chat. I'll give you some TA breakdown on that. And that TA breakdown, it don't matter what you throw out there. BA sitting at 154.65. If you are a bull, you want to see 155.20 get taken out. Next level up is going to be this area right at 156. They break through that, they can start running up. Be cautious though, guys. I'm always trying to pay attention to the charts and see what the candlesticks are doing. If you see them struggling around this area right there, that can form a double top and we can start coming back down. I wouldn't jump into this one until they break through about 156.10, 156.20. And if you jump in, set your stop loss. I set my stop loss somewhere around this area right there to protect it from coming back the other way on you. So there you go with that one. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right here at 153.80 get taken out. They take out that. You got a little bit more at 153.30. Ultimately, you want to see them break through here at 151.20 and then boom, 149 we come. Next ticker up, we gonna do Palantir. Like I said before, they have earnings tomorrow. Expect this one to give you a couple swings, some fakes, some rug pulls. And if you want to hold after the end of the day, just know your risk. With this one, if they're sitting at 141.90, if you are a bull, you want to see 42.20 get taken out. If they can take out that, boom, you're coming up to 42.40. And then this area right here, at 42.60. They break through that, they can start running up even higher. We know they're trying to get to 45, 47, 50. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 41.80 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you come into 41.60. They break through that. These bottoms right here, 41.20, and then they break through this 40.90. They coming back down. They're going to try to shoot up under 39, up under the $40 mark, getting into the like the 39.80s. But expect this thing to give you some fake outs because they're waiting for the earnings to drop after close, and then they make their move. If they faking like they dropping, then I expect earnings to be good. If they popping it real high close to the end, then earnings might be negative. But I'm not worried about that. I ain't guessing on that. I'm not going to even be holding anything overnight. There you go with Palantir. Next ticker up, we're going to give you Hood. This is another one for the newbies and beginners. They're sitting at 24 even right now. You want to see the break at 24.10. They break through that, they can start running up. Next level up, you got this 24.30 break. And then they can start trying to move up this ladder right here. They can slowly start popping back up. There you go with Hood. If you are a bear, what you want to see, the first area, you want to see this stuff right here get taken out at 23.90. They break through that. Boom, you got 23.60 on deck. This little area at 23.40. And ultimately, you want to see them take out this stuff right here at 23 even. They can break through that. They're going to start pulling this thing back even lower. Guys, these are intraday moves and plays to put on your radar. These are not for swing trades. These is if you're trying to eat throughout of the day and you're trying to make money in a one-day play. Get in, get out. Next ticker, this is one of my favorites that I used to play when I first started trading. They used to do me really good, and guys that's been trading for a long time, Snap used to be $50, $60 ticker, and they used to make $5, $6 swings up and back down throughout the session, and then they just start going down, had some crappy earnings, and killed it. I think with some good PA, a bunch of the youth start getting back into Snapchat, they can start riding that train back up. But until then, we'll play what they give us. 12.50 is where they're sitting. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this shelf level right here. This stuff right in here get taken out at 12.70. They break through that. Boom, we coming up to 12.85. Ultimately, you want to see this area right here get taken out before we even think about getting into calls. We sitting at 12.90. They break through that, then they're going to try to run this to 13.10. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this stuff right here get taken out, 12.40. They can break through that right there. Boom, you coming down to 12.10. They break through this little nonsense right here at 11.95. They can start pulling this thing back. They can actually smack this thing all the way down to this 11.40 heavy level. They fall off the map there. Boom, you coming down to 10.90. That's one to put on your radar to pay attention. If you see these levels start getting invalidated or validated, whichever way you trying to play, then you know what to do. Last but not least, I'm going to throw a volatile ticker on there. That's going to be crazy, but I was able to be up 300% in this ticker right here. But man, hold on to your seats with this one. This one can make you some money, but man, this one can smoke you as well. DJT. They're sitting at 30.55. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here at 30 even get taken out. They can take out that. They can start pulling this thing back much lower. Like I said, they volatile. They do what they want to do. They'll drop down and then boom, that thing all the way up. I caught this at 46. I put it in the Discord where it was at and what it was going to do, and that thing sunk down. I think I put it in as a bonus play. Shout out to whoever that played that ticker and made some money on the ride down. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here at 31 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, they come into 32.40. You got 33.20. Next area after that, boom, they come into 35.30. And these guys, as you see, they can boom this thing and ride that ladder all the way back up. That's all I got for newbies and beginners. I threw a little bonus play in there, but there you go. Big ballers, shot callers, where y'all at? We ready to grind it out for you guys. First ticker up. Got a few requests on this one. QQQ. All right, guys, they're sitting at 487.40. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right here at 487.90 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you got this area at 488.75 that they need to get through. They get through that one. Boom, next level up is going to be 489.90. Ultimately, you want to see these tops right here get taken out at 490.70. They break through that, they're going to start running it up to the higher stuff. Heavy level will be at 492.40. They can get through that without getting smacked down. Boom, they running back up to 495.60. There you go with that one. If you are a bear, you want to see 486.80 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. Boom, they're going to try to pull this thing back down to 483.75 and lower. There's levels for you to pay attention to in that one. Next ticker up, we're going to do NVIDIA. All right, guys, and NVIDIA 135.40 is where we at. If you are a bear, you want to see 134.90 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got 134.60. And they can get through there. Expect turbulence right there. They can get smacked back up right there. But if not, they're going to try to shoot their shot all the way back down to this chef level right in here at 133.60. And then, boom, they coming down to 132.40. And I got an area of interest at 131.80. If they lose that one right there, boom, 131.05 and then 130.70. There you go to the you got your upside levels. And if you are a bull, you want to see this stuff right in here get taken out. You got 135.80. They break through that, they're going to try to run it to these tops at 136.10. And then you got this stuff up in here at 136.70. And you see that, you already know they trying to get to this area right here at 137.30. They can start booming it higher from there. You want to see this level right here, 137.60 get taken out. They take out that, already know. Boom, we coming back up to 139 before they shoot their shot to the higher stuff. We'll handle in real time. Once we start seeing those levels get taken out, expect a lot of turbulence in them trying to get to 137.30. I'd keep that on my radar. I wouldn't jump in any calls until they start breaking out of 137.30, because nothing but turbulence up in this, all this stuff right in here, that's turbulence, and it's going to be trouble for them trying to get through it. Next ticker up, we're going to do Tesla. All right, guys, and Tesla is sitting at 248.90. If you are a bull, you want to see this level right here get taken out, 249.50. They can break through that level right there. Boom, we coming up to 250.40. They break through that. We got a whole bunch of stuff in here, a bunch of turbulence up in here with them slowly trying to push this thing up to my level at 253.30. Guys, you already know what happens at 253.30. Either they're going to get smacked back down, or we've seen this level before. They're going to try to shoot their shot to 253.90. And then I got a level at 254.30. They break through that, they can start riding. So 253.30 is going to be an area of interest. They're going to try to shoot to 253.90 and then 254.30. They break through that. Boom, 255.10. And guys, as soon as they break through that, we've seen it over and over again. Boom, they come in at 257.50. So there you go with Tesla. On the downside, what you want to see is this level right here at 247.70 get taken out. They break through that. Boom, we got 245.90 on deck. Guys, we called out Tesla in real time. We called out Tesla when they made that double bottom and popped back up. Guys, you know when to get in. I'm throwing these plays out there to you. You set your stop loss. Once you get into that play, set your stop loss. Like I said, we had these double bottoms. If once you've seen that bottom forming, buy your call, set your stop loss right here at the first bottom, and don't even worry about it no more. Let that thing take its course. You'd have caught it at 246. Boom, that's a $3 run for you to make money. There you go in Tesla. Last but not least, we got SPY. All right, guys. And SPY, I know this is going a little long, but man, I'm trying to give you these tickers. That way you got more than one ticker to pay attention throughout the trading session. They're sitting at 571.10. They needed to get to this level at 571.90 close above that to turn this thing back bullish. They failed to do so. Man, good luck, because they're struggling right now. I got a level at 570.40. They break through that. Boom. You come into 569.40. They break through that. Boom. You got 567. Bulls better fight like crazy right there, because if they lose that level, look what I got. Boom. You got 565.20 on deck. And guys that follow me, you know my levels are pinpoint accurate. We coming down to the cent on these. Once you start seeing those levels get taken out, you already know what's next. If you are a bull, you want to see 571.90 get taken out. Next level up, they're going to try to push this thing back to 573.40. And then boom, you got 574.40. Next level up, boom, 575.80. We super duper bullish after we pass that level right there. But your first area of interest is going to start at 571.90. You want to see bulls open higher than that level right there. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this thing out, but I just want to leave one thought for you. Any of these plays that you plan and you make money in these plays, guys, kill it. Make that money. Close your computer down. Don't even worry about it no more. You made $600-700 on the play. That's more than some people make a whole week. It's no sense in being greedy or wanting to get back into a play. Take that $500-600 and live to see another day. Enjoy it. Turn it off. Look at the look what the ticker did later on and be like, man, you know what? I'm glad I secured profit, because man, look what that play did. If I wouldn't have sold right there, I would have lost all my money. Because guys, I often say, what's the best teacher out there? The best teacher out there is the L's that we take, because we know how we felt when we took that L, when we could have took the W when we was up $500-600, but we wanted to get back into play. We got smacked. We lost money. Now we done lost that $600-700 we was up, and plus the money that we paid into that contract. It is a crappy feeling, but hey, even if that happened to you, there's always the next day, and learn off of that mistake right there, and let's get them again. I just wanted to put that out there, because man, I try to tell you guys my stories, because everything that you guys are doing and seeing and feeling a little bad about losing the money, I've been there, done that, happened to me. And I try to let you guys know that, hey, take those profits and set the stop loss. That way it doesn't happen to you. Make money. That's the name of the game. We are trying to take from Wall Street, not trying to give it back. Those fools up there are already millionaires and billionaires. Plenty of money they have. No reason why we can't take a little bit out of their pocket. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.